Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Gonna start up our with 6-inch lift. She's kind of a jump up here, so that's when my phone moved. Start up our 91 Ramcharger. $147,650 on it. You can see a little over half tank in the fuel gauge. This is an air vehicle. Stereo on there. There's your wiper blades. Horn does not work. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Power locks do not work in the down position. Power windows work. Air blows cold. Dome light works. Runs good. Had a bunch of work done to it by the previous owner. So still got a small pump and no belt on it. Come out of Utah. Alternator on it. Like I said, we got a whole list. I took pictures of the list of everything he done to it. 6-inch lift, oversized tires, your tail lights and your license plate lights. So everything works except for horn and power lock. So any questions? 605-695-7391.